Hey guys, what's going on? Today my goal is to kind of clean out my garage and get my car running. So somebody's probably gonna come get these old wheels from the 4Runner for like 300 bucks later if I'm lucky. I've got to get the brakes fixed. I got a brake booster I'm gonna install it. So I watched a video and I skipped through it before I ordered this thing on how I'm going to put it together. So we're gonna see if I remember any of that, but I know that the first step is to pop the hood. Okay, I've got the master cylinder out of the way and that vacuum line out. So now from this point, I think that you just move inside the car and remove whatever it's held onto with the pedal. So. I was down here trying to reach up at those 4 studs back there, and there's just not a straight shot at like any of them. All right, this thing has loosened up, so I think I should be able to get the whole thing out. Aha! Got him. Oh, this thing is fucking leaking, dude. What the hell? So I do know that we have to set these to the same point. Okay, now the new problem is this thing fits in this one. Oh wow, really well. The other one, it's like too tight to get past that first notch through. So instead of taking that shit out, I'm just gonna take a drill bit, find the size that's equal to this one, and drill the new one out. Thank God that worked. Oh boy. Okay, I don't know how much of that I'll keep in, but that was hell. I was trying to get that clip connected underneath, and the spring that goes on it came undone. I had to crawl way up there and find where it went. It was not the best experience, but now I get to go look for the bolts that go down there. So let's see if I can find those. A 13 socket. I've never heard of that. Take a look at this shit. I dropped one bolt and I had to pull all this shit up, and it is right here. All right, that's all installed. The new brake booster looks nice. It's in. Everything should be plumbed back up the way it was, and the pedal on the inside feels good now. The next thing I got though is this ram mount. I'm gonna see if I can get it up somewhere, because there is a clock delete you can do, and the clocks on these things never work, that you can mount a ram into. For now I just have the regular ram, so I'm gonna put it up that way I've got somewhere to put my phone when I test drive it and make sure these brakes work. Well, I got it together as much as you can without a screwdriver, but it turns out that you get this ball and that's it. And I figured they would at least give me a suction cup or something, but I guess that I'm sticking with whatever I got going now. Scratch this for now, but this is a really good way to, it looks great up there, is what most people do when you do get the clock thing. Or you could just screw it right into there. I mean, buy like a plastic plate or some shit, I don't know, but you know, at some point I'll be doing that. Oh, I don't know if you guys, probably you can't hear that, but it's making some like honk sound every time I let off the brake or let in. It kind of just sounds like it's rubbing rubber or some shit against itself. So I'm thinking that could just be that I didn't put any grease on the master cylinder when I installed it. I'm probably just gonna open it back up and grease that. I think I was right. This thing needs grease back behind it. So I've got red grease here. I'm going to try to do this in an order that doesn't get everything dirty. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and smear it on the inside of that. Alright. It's all back together. I cleaned it off because if all goes well, that'll be the last time I have to touch this. By the way, shout out to Chris Fix for that clean ass engine bay. Look at that stuff. And I got a brand new battery and brakes over there now too. Just making shit look nice in here. Round number 2. Less confident this time, so I left one glove on. Guess I have to take some apart again. Oh, I think it's better. Let's see. Oh, there goes that. As to celebrate, I'm gonna go get some gas while the car works and I'm out driving it. These gloves come in handy now. Every time I lean up against this chair, my ass starts moving it.